I won't, I won't, I won't, I won't, I won't, I won't. Hey, hi everybody. Yeah, it's Friday. It's 4 p.m. The workday is still going, but yeah, this is kind of learning, studying, professional development stuff. Uh, so yeah, we're continuing on the website series, I guess. Um, yeah, I think now we can call this a series since it's been going for like a couple of weeks now. Um, yeah. So for today, I think we're gonna make some design changes. Minor ones, I should add, and also since we've got a blog going with two articles, it's time to actually make some kind of syndication. I know there is RSS, Atom, and what else? There is something else, must be. So we'll be doing that by hand, and if there's enough time and energy, I think we'll try to write some scripts to automate uh, the like the boring stuff. Um, yeah, what I had in mind was actually making uh, um, where are my words? Actually, creating like a margins on the left and right sides, so that it looks better on wider screens. It looks alright on the phones, so and given the majority of people are browsing websites from their mobile phones, this is good. But yeah, for desktops, we'll definitely need to limit the width. I don't remember how to do surprisingly. Let me create a repo here and rename the branch. Oh, and the singing has to go because I cannot talk while someone else is singing. I'm so sorry. Hi, Lav. How are you doing? Watching how someone who knows what they're doing does this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just been doing this for a little while and kind of remembered a couple of things, but nothing like I can't just confidently say, oh, I know how to do this thing. No, I Google every time and sometimes ask ChatGPT. I'm glad you're doing good though. Thanks for joining in. Yeah, I was about to rename the branch. Rename branch. We say main instead of master. Yeah, let's see. We can add everything. Say its initial commit. Yeah. Now I'm not afraid to change anything. Given we keep commits small. Yeah. So I think this can go in the Ubu CSS or the only global single style sheet that we have, and this built-in browser. Oh, it has DevTools plain. It's just not docked, and I doubt we can see that on stream. Can we? No, we can't. Let me see if I can quickly do something about this. DevTools. Okay, there are our DevTools. Window match title. Windows title must match. Match title, window of the same type, same executable, capture method automatic. Yeah, yeah, that kind of works. I'll move it over here and let's try closing it. Oh no, it's not working. um, Technical difficulties, of course. Da, da, da. The window title must match. Yeah. Okay. So like this. Yes, this worked. And if I open it again, yeah, that works. Perfect. Yeah, I was going to experiment a bit and see what we can do. Oh, what's that? Hold on a moment, this is not what I want. This is iframe. Goodness. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's say its width is 400 pixels and margins are auto 0. No, that's just auto 0 auto, like this. Oh, and this is our body. Okay, I think that works, kind of. But we should make that like max width instead. Max width and make it, I don't know, 800. I guess. Does this work? No? Can I close and reopen it? Will that help? No? I have no idea what's happening. I'm not enjoying this. This does not have that update. The question is why? Why is this the case? Interesting. Let's go to sources and see what we have. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of crap. Can I search here? Open file. What's that? Ubu CSS. We don't have that. So I make a conclusion that this is not like a full-blown server. Just like an HTML preview, which means we'll have to be creative. Okay, okay, I'll leave it at 800 pixels for now. I don't know how much this is, although I can easily check that real quick in these atrocious DevTools. Okay, this was body with max width 800 pixels, margins 0 on auto. 800 is still kind of much. What about 6? That's better. 6. Okay. You know what I'm thinking. 6, 2, 1. Yeah, that'll do. I'm very proud of myself. You can tell. Um, set max uh with DTH for desktops. Nice, indeed, it is. Uh, yeah. And I'm going to get us a server. Um, I'll make a folder, name it public, and then move everything we have there. Don't ask me again, just move. Okay, and now we can uh, add something for us to serve the files. What do we have? I know we can do Express, and it has this static, what's called, plugin, and there are also dedicated packages. I'm just gonna quickly look that up. HTTP static server. A simple zero configuration command line HTTP server. That sounds about right. I'm usually just opt for a Python HTTP server when I'm working on mine. Yeah, that makes. Is that like a standard library sort of thing in Python? I'm not really familiar with that. Yeah, cool. You know what? Maybe we can actually do that. Let me package everything JSON, and now we have this moved over, removed. Yeah. Now I'll be struggling. What's that? Do I have Python installed? Python 3? Okay. All right. Now let us see if we have the browser here. Going. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, I will rearrange the stream once again, because I need that to switch between windows. I am so sorry, I'm so unprepared for all this. Let's go full screen, and this will have to go, I think. No, everything's gone now. Display capture, yes. We have infinite mirrors, but that's okay. Yeah, I hope this works. Can I actually preview that on mobile? I don't think so. Yep. Anyhow. So we have this, and what was that? HTTP server in Python. Launch an HTTP server with one line of Python code. Sounds promising. Oh, is that it? How it works? So I didn't really have to create like a environment. I mean, it will be useful someday. By default, servers allocated and someone home address. This. Yeah, it starts default on 8000. Last time you tried on Windows, you had to set it up to 127. Yeah, simple enough though. Cute after. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I enjoy this avatar myself very much. So that is public. Okay, that's localhost 800 and 110. Okay. Yay, that works. Or does it? I think it kinda does. Oh. Interesting. I guess some kind of caching may be going on here. Interesting. Oh, this is title. Okay, I'm not looking at the right thing. Okay, let's see if our previous change took effect, and it seemed like it hadn't. We did not load that Google CSS. Is the thing broken? Looks like it is broken. Oh my goodness. I don't have that on the main page. Oh no. Yeah, that's this is exactly the problem with doing things by hand or by paw, I should say. Yeah, no, this is working. This is working. No found? No why though? It doesn't have HTML. The default okay, we can add the HTML here. I don't know why I did that before. Social intelligence, hello world. This all works. Okay. Yeah, now we have the server. I will commit the change. Oh my goodness, what is happening? Changes. Okay, so I'll take all this except for this and stage these changes. Okay, move everything to public. Do you usually commit the virtual environment directory? I'm not sure about that. It's 1343 new files. Interesting. I don't think you do, I guess. One thing I could do is look up the Python ignore template file. and see if that has environments. Yeah, I can probably steal the whole thing. Okay, that is dot ignore. Okay. So we have that, and we've made the change to make this work well on desktops. This is still unaffected, though. I'm not sure if the like mobile devices have some built-in margins here. I suspect they may have, maybe not. Let's say something. Let me quickly open my phone and see if the previous version of the website has this margins sort of. A little bit. Yeah. Okay, quickly dox myself here. That's all right. What do you mean? This is not what I want. Computer? Okay, Total Commander, can you access files on the Linux mount? I don't think so. Okay, we'll do it. Just let me copy the file. Oh my god. Okay. Let me edit this one quickly. Upload. And I need this to go here. Okay. Yeah, looks like it has a bit of a margin. Yeah, we're good here. So on to the next thing. I was talking about this syndication, I think it's called. Let us start with Wikipedia probably. Okay, RSS. Wikipedia's new colors tried upload today. Okay. Sometime later maybe. RDF site summary, really simple syndication is a web feed that allows spaces manner. Subscribing can allow users to keep track of many different websites in a single news aggregator. Okay, sounds like something that we need. What else we can see? JSON feed. Web sub. Was Atom, I think? There. Right. Love RSS. Yay. I could never use it actually, if I'm honest. I think I tried it once, but the articles, or was it article previews, were all over the place. And I just kind of dropped it. Yeah, but let's look into that today. Both and Adam. What's Adam? web standards, a pair of standards, item syndication format, XML, item publishing protocol, HTTP based protocol, and for creating and updating. Oh, that's interesting. With it allows software to check usage. Blogging community uses that. It's common to find feeds. Aggregator compared. Example. Ooh, XML. Yeah, others. I think we can focus on this RSS for now. Technically, Atom has several advantages. Licensing. Less restrictive licensing. What sort of licensing we're talking about? Oh, that's a lot of letters. I'm so confused. Oh, so this is like a mapping category, channel, copyright, current usage. Okay, can we see? Oh, the specification and the tutorial. Interesting. Let's start with a tutorial, I guess. What is that? XML created by Netscape. How it works? Some web pages. The set of the web pages is the RSS feed. In our case, that would be the blog pages, I suppose. These ones. And XML file. The file holds URL, title, a summary of each page to display. A person who wants to read uses a reader or another website, uses that to display by clicking. Visitors display a page from the provider. XML file, global container RSS for the 2.0 format, one channel at least. This is the website that provides the information. Channels provides articles or data. How to publish news. Use the library of PHP. Use a specialized tool to extract the data from a page. Feeds in Atom, use that instead. Title, description, item. Yeah, let's do this. I'll create a new file and say it's what's rss.xml. What's the XML header? XML declarations. Yeah, this one. Coding fade. So if it goes like this, then we have root container, channel, title. I assume this is the website name, link, this is the link. Description. Do we have a description? I'm not so sure. We don't have a description. Some text description. And for items, we have that. Item without title or goodness format. The document, no XML formatters. That's fair. Come on. Okay, title hello world. Be this description. Can I do 2 spaces instead? Much better. And the second element here is social intelligence article. Okay. Building its personal errors. Oh, so I should have read a bit further. Next XML editor is more convenient. Define a source. Description of your website. Maybe the text assigned to the content attribute to the description tag in the head section of the home page. We don't have that, but I guess I can. What do I have on the blog page? Nothing. I mean, is it optional? Encoding an item line descriptions. Specifications, required channel elements. Oh, it is required. Phrase or sentence describing the channel. Okay. No web logo. Internet, if I can spell it right. Okay, optional channel elements. Oh, these are elements as well. Interesting. Copyright, webmaster, update, last update, generator, image reading text input. Channel may contain a number of items. An item may represent story. So its description is the synopsis of the story. Links points to the full story. Okay, so it kind of needs descriptions. We can come up with some first. Rather short. Notes on I read recently. English and Russian. Okay, I hope that works. More items upload. Validate with the validator. Make it available. Accomplished by adding an RSS button. Okay. Does it have dates? Published date. Can do published dates since it's update. This is a date. Oh, what's that? Oh goodness. This is difficult. So the 19th of come on. Of what? July was Friday. Friday 19th of July 2024. Do we have a time as well? Yeah, 16:53. And for time zone, 3-letter time zone or time zone offset. -06, I think. This is 22nd of July. July 22nd was Monday. And the time was, I think that was quite late. 10:01 p.m. 10:01 p.m. Okay. I hope this is accurate. Where was that? Validator feed validator thing. Now I'll need to upload it manually. Okay, let's put it in the root folder actually. I'll upload it by hand again. Oh, no, not this one. Not Ubu, but RSS. Neat, at least it displays correctly here. And I will Um, copy paste. Undefined element item. Undefined. What the hell? Oh, this is not the right. I thought they said items, but apparently not. Format document. Let's go again. I did not update the file. Okay, item should contain a GUID element. Missing item link with rel self. Break. Okay, let's start with this one. It's recommended that you provide a GUID and if possible make it a permalink. This enables creators to not repeat items even if there have been editing changes. And then the same thing, a link is this. Okay, in some yes, in some no. So a unique, different, unchanging. String that uniquely identifies the item. Optional sub-element. There are no rules for the syntax. Must use a string. This permalink is optional. Its default value is true. Oh, so I cannot just stick an UUID here. What about links then? I don't know. It says it's optional, so I won't be too hung up on that. Missing rel self. I guess this is best practice profile if it's URL then purple. Declare an item namespace at the top of this feed. Insert a link to your feed in the channel section. What's the best practices profile? I don't fully understand what that means, but I guess we can do that. So that was part of the RSS tag. It's attribute. There's an extra space here. And in the channel section, adding this. Let's see if the validation error goes away. Self-reference doesn't match the application. What do you mean? Oh, it's HTTP. Okay, I can say HTTPS. No worries. Now it should be alright. Yeah, item should recommendations. Okay. And we can use that. Is that right? Nice. What was that? We'll need to add a link somewhere. Published, updated. 1.0. Oh look, there are dates like in the usual format. Not that weird Monday something. I guess since we if we this is not RSS. I'm sorry. Current usage. What we can use to read that actually. Can I use Thunderbird? Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, let me quickly switch to Thunderbird and see if it has any of my personal emails. Yeah. Thunderbird. And that would be news, I guess. Release accounts. How does this work? Account settings. Add feed account. Blogs and news feeds. Subscribe. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Let me share this. I will put my address here. Check. Siri. Okay, that worked, kind of. Oh, that's neat. That's very neat. This seems to be working. Yay! It works. It works. I'm so happy. Let's go back and commit that. Add RSS. Read. That was easier than I thought. And I will amend. Hello? Is this working? There we go. Okay. So what else we can do here? Oh, I forgot to add the link. I think we can create a link over here and as well here maybe somewhere. Let's see. I'll need a main file which is index. Close everything here. Okay, let's see. Let me add that over here as well, somewhere. Create a paragraph for that. Like this. That looks alright. Yep, looks good. I'll say this is. Let me see if the links work first. This works and this works. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, so we've updated the layout so far a bit, and also wrote the feed, which appears to be working, which is super nice. I think I'll have to read more on the standard itself and see if something else can be added, but so far this looks alright. Let us take a short, maybe 5 to 10 minute break, probably closer to 5. Stretch our legs a little bit, and meanwhile I will prepare uploads so they are less clumsy, and we'll figure out what's coming up next. Feed is less work than than you thought. I'll have to try that. Yeah, it does not look very complicated. I thought like this is gonna be something super insane. I mean, it doesn't look like much, and but I mean, it does the job of sharing updates. So yeah, that's good, I guess. Um, yeah. Let us take a break, and I'll be back in 5. And you get to see behind the scenes as well. Okay, break. Okay. And we're back. Um. Oh goodness. Almost. I guess. There is no chat. Let's bring that back. Display capture. Oh, the scene is all messed up. Okay. I hope that works. We move the chat over down here where there is less text. Anyway, yeah, not ideal, but I hope it works. Um, yeah, I went ahead and um, created, like mounted the website as a folder, so we can easily upload everything, replacing files. I hope. Yeah, replace. Please do. %85 complete. We're almost there. Meanwhile, I'll open the site so that we can see changes taking effect. Yeah, it's 621 pixels wide. Nice. We have these RSS links working, which is good. Please. Oh no, it's broken. Why? What's wrong? That's 0 in size. No. Come on, it's 2 kilobytes. Not ideal, but let's double check what's that about. Oh, that's 0 bytes indeed. Why? Why though? Is anything else broken? Images. 0 bytes. Uploads. Nothing. Everything is 0. What the hell? I don't think this is how it's supposed to look. Oh, goodness. Oh, come on. It didn't go well for sure. Let me delete everything, I guess. And copy, well, at least something. Not ideal, but... Oh, that's 403 now. Oh. Why? What's wrong? Can I edit it here? Yes, I can. Oh, now it's better. Okay. It works. Phew. I was worried here for a second. I almost freaked out that everything was deleted. I mean, we still have these, what do you call it? Repository now that we're sort of safe. But that was still annoying. Yeah, let's see what else we could do. I'm thinking maybe it's time to do some automation, maybe. Like we could uh, do something like what server side includes. Have done previously. For instance, if I decide to rename home link to something else, uh, like here, I wouldn't have to go through all the files and do that manually. Um, but that seems like a lot of work. Um, and it will have to like be well thought. I can just sort of wing it. Uh, yeah. Um, Probably let us do something else. Um, Let me quickly navigate to Codeberg. I think it's Codeberg. Is it? It is. I'll sign in. And upload what we have so far. A new repository. Yeah, that's a new repository. Okay. Creating. And for that, we'll do this. Oh, do I have an SSH key? Oh, come on. Oh, no. Delete. Or is remove? Remove. Origin. Yes, please do. Permission denied. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know I had that set up. Okay. Do that once again. Okay, now that worked. Oh, right. Now I'm extra safe, feeling extra safe. Yeah, what I was thinking about is a like a tool to synchronize blocks between blocked accounts between Mastodon and instances. So this is probably something we could do. Um the other thing I had was writing unit tests for a tool, the duplication tool that I've written before, but unit tests sound kind of boring. Um, yeah, let us try that Mastodon thing. Yeah, I'll change things over here to what's that? What's that I'm thinking about? Is it org or com? Yeah. Resources, documentation. and we need API. Let's see if it's even possible. Domain, that's admin. I need users accounts blocks. I think this is view your blocks. See also block on block. View blocked users. Returns array count. User token plus read blocks. Request headers. Provide token. Block IDs are not post by any API responses. Okay. We can do post. Block and block. And mutes. Bookmarks, favorites, guidelines, best practices. User must be able to log in with any server from the app. Ask for domain and use the app registrations API to dynamically obtain credentials. Okay, logging in. Flow. Client ID in secret. Authorize the user obtain the token. Performing actions. Managing block domains. Filters. Oh, filters is also something we could do. Yeah, but first of all, let's see if anyone has already done this. Mastodon tool sync block lists. Hey, look, this is already has already been implemented. Admin tool. That's admin tool. Okay. Admin domain blocks. Lists from other instances. No, that's not really the thing. I'm interested in the users. List manager. Letting you quickly assign people following normal lists. Search filter. Come on, please let me go back. Block list between instances. Moderation suggestion. That's again instance level. Well maintain. Let's see if we can find anything here. Domain block list. Sync block users or domains across different accounts. That sounds like something. That's a Chrome extension. Okay. README has nothing. What's the script about? From import account config instances from the config email password login. That doesn't make a lot of sense yet. Fetch blocks currently only 80. Find user ID, domain blocks, apply block users. No new users to block. Get user ID, blocking user. Apply domain block sync. For mastodons. This looks like something like a console utility you can use. What's for the backend? Flask. This is a web sort of thing, framework. Secret key. Chrome extension. Authentication logic here. Okay, this doesn't have much going on. The Chrome extension. Let's have a look at the manifest. Manifest, block syncer. We have an HTML pop-up and no background parameters. We look at the local host. Let's see. Some styles. Block syncer. Authenticate by ID, I think. Backend URL. What's here? Auth button on click. We authenticate. Success. Authentication successful or failed. Yeah, what's in the that's constants. Well, this is something along the lines that I had in mind. I don't think this is finished. Let's see if there are any issues. Pull requests. Nope, nothing. And looking at the commit logs, we have 3 commits. First commit, first structure. First version script. Blockchain syncing tool. What the fuck is blockchain? Fairy block. Yeah, that looked promising. I'll start this repository. What the hell? Nope. Oh, come on. You know that's the right password. Okay, let me boot the security key. There we go. Security key booped. Repo start. And yeah, let us try and imagine something. So yeah, So, uh, I think this tool would be a website, with what like um basically two features. That's actually three. Log in with own account, then link an account, and I'm thinking that there will be like several accounts connected to the user's profile. For example, I'll put in mine, and Paris Club, I think. And also at life. Yep. So these are connected accounts, and then we'll have sync rules set up, each considering from and to. For example, from these to that. And likewise, and if we want to do like a two-way synchronization, we'll do just another entry, create just another entry. I better use a tab character here, I think. Okay. So I'm wondering how we can log in a user. I suppose that would be any just log in with any account and you're good to manage all of them. So there's no like one main account, one, and others are secondary. Okay, let's revisit this profile management. Create login the first time. Oh, that's actually interesting. So we are creating a user's profile when they log in to a Mastodon instance first time. I say this register login to a is already linked to a profile. And we also need an option to delete. No users data and account management. Management. Again, connect, or should I say connect? Mastodon instance, or a link. Remove associations with instance. Rules. I keep repeating management. We probably don't need that word. And for rules, we can create edit or delete. Just create and delete. One thing I'd like to try is doing the what we call it, progressive enhancement. Since this is a web service, it should be ideally used like with minimal. Can you actually use Mastodon without a JavaScript enabled? I doubt it. I doubt that. Seriously, disable JavaScript. Okay. I'll do the home instance. Please enable JavaScript. Alternatively, try. Yeah, we still need JavaScript. That kind of sucks. So where do we start? Hold on. Go to social. Does that need JavaScript enabled as well? Like Mastodon is not the only implementation of ActivityPub out there. Can I try logging in here? What's that? Okay, I'm turning off JavaScript. Nothing happens. Yeah, looks like we need JavaScript anyway. Yeah. So what I'm thinking is maybe we could do like a REST API and then like a JavaScript tab thing to do all this stuff. I'm not sure which option to choose, honestly. If we are talking about API, we'll need to let's try outlining the steps we need to do. Like so in order to access these endpoints, where is it? Not domain blocks, just blocks. There. We need a user token with a permission. Mean ID and max ID can be used at the same time. Okay. I guess the first step could be logging in with a Mastodon account. We'll definitely need that. Then creating and deleting roles. Then finally linking accounts. Oh, I keep repeating myself. So that would be first priority. This would be the second, third, fourth. I think this should be number 5 at this time. 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, that looks alright. Is this enough of a plan to start the development? I'm not sure. And let me see.
I'm gonna go see if I can get into some trouble.
I did not say that. This is someone else. Okay. Yep. So what are we going to be using for backend, I guess? I'm tempted to go with JavaScript because that's what I know already. But I kind of need to learn Python. Last Sunday I was playing The Farmer Was Replaced, where they teach some pieces of that in a form of a game. That was fun. Um, and I think this is also a good opportunity to learn a bit of Python as well. So yeah, let's go for API on front end script, I guess. Uh, um, Probably nothing for the framework at first because this does not sound very complicated. Just managing these things. We don't need to worry about pagination. We can just like do everything, like transfer everything at once. No big deal. Yeah, let me add vanilla script. I'm not sure what we are using for the web server at the work. So it's probably a good idea to go with the same things. Give me a moment. Okay, I need requirements. What does it say? Fast API. Pandas. SQLite. Redis. Tick token. What the hell is tick token? What did it say? Fast API. Python. Let me browse the source real quick. And let's see. Endpoints are defined. This doesn't have anything. Yeah, so this has fast API, router. Depends on user authentication. Oh, it has oh, that's a basic of fast API. I guess fast API it is. Easy to learn, fast to code. All I'm concerned about, to be honest. Yeah, that's probably a good starting point. Python fast API and for yeah, sure. Should I go with SQLite or do like a proper database? Yeah, let's go with MySQL. REST-ish API. Yeah, let's go with that. Just with that. Yeah. So this is our tech. Was that? Oh, that's a previous message. It is less work than I thought. Yeah. Yeah, let me save this somewhere where I can find it later. Eh, uh, I will surely find this in my downloads as far as tomorrow. uh, yeah. Uh, so I guess we'll need a new um, sort of project folder. What did I call that? Towns block sync. Repository right away, and I will copy git ignore here right away. Touch readme and open that in a new window. Close this and create virtual environment because I know how to do this. And it's comforting to repeat the same thing over and over, you know. Yeah, and this will be our initial commit. Not much, but oh. Yeah, but it's still a good start. I should probably copy this over, or at least create a temporary file. Yeah. Let's install Fast API. I think get it running and displaying something, and then we'll call it a day. I think it's been 2 hours, and that's a lot of work for one day, on top of like 5 more at the day job. Right, modern fast. We've already seen that. Requirements. Stands the shoulders of giants. Standard. What? Goodness. Okay. Do I just copy this over? Let me watch that once again to make sure I got this right. No, I haven't. Been activate. Now we're talking. Okay, create a mine file. Run it like this. They how to name it main. I'll do just that. Return hello world, and to run it, oh no, I ran the installation again. All right, Um. Oh, that worked. Yeah. Uh. Interactive API docs. Oh, that's neat. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't need to do anything for this to work. I'm so productive. Alternate. Was it redoc? Oh, that's kind of nice as well. Yeah. That example upgrade, recap, performance, dependencies, email validation. First steps. Run the code. Install. And we're really already advanced user. Oh my god, this is so hilarious. First steps. Oh, we've already done the first steps. What parameters? Request body, multiple parameters. Security. Security normally is a complex and quote-unquote difficult topic. In many frameworks, it takes a lot of time, provides in a hurry. Skip to the next chapters. Open API. Let's see. Oh, that still sounds complicated. User model. Oh. Oh no. This is so much. Yeah. Okay, that's enough development for one day. Yeah. Where am I? Why am I here? Oh, what is happening? Oh no, I broke everything. Like this, I'm like this, the chat is here. Yeah, this is something. Okay, yeah, I think we'll end it here for today. Yeah, many thanks to everyone who has joined. We made some good progress on the website, and also thought about and started a new project already without completing the previous one. I am low-key embarrassed as I speak. Yeah, but this seems to be a decent outline for future um, uh, pastime in the sorted programming stuff, as I call it. Yeah, thanks everyone who has joined. Thanks, Lav, for joining today and also the follow. I really, really appreciate it. Always glad to have you here. Let's see if anyone is streaming now. Waves back. Waves back. Let me write it. Waves back. And an emoji. Yeah. 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 The do we have anyone? Creating right now. Hmm? Right. It seems like your pal Hal is about to start streaming a game, Warframe. Yeah, I've always personally been curious about what that is, but my computer never really allowed me to play that. So yeah, if you're up to it, let us uh, stick around and uh, uh, see what we've got. Hmm. Yep. Yeah. On to watch his you around. Yeah. See you as well. Uh. Yeah. If only I can figure out what. Uh. Goodness. This is so difficult. Okay. Yep. Um. See you.